hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi guys, it's MX now. In this video I'm going to be going over how to track your dividends, how to track your crypto portfolio. I've personally invested into Bitcoin and into Ethereum as well. But what I'm doing is basically I'm riding the market. So every time the market goes down, I'll buy in a Bitcoin, and then when it goes up, I'll sell off my Bitcoins. I'll make sure every time I do that, I make like a 10 to 15 pound profit each time, because otherwise it's not worth it. I'm just a beginner when it comes to trading and buying into crypto, so this is just my simple way of making money. A lot more experienced people actually can use leverage and time the market properly, which is what I'm trying to learn to do. But if you're a beginner like me, then this is just an easy way to get started. So what I'm going to show you now is my dividend tracking portfolio. I've made a spreadsheet on Google Sheets, and it's just like a template. I've pre-populated it already. You guys can look in the description and copy it for yourselves, and then just change the figures. The most important columns are basically column B and column D, as well as column C. So it's B to D. Essentially, column B is the ticker, so that's like the abbreviation for the name of the company. So you just need to go on Google Finance and you type in the name of the company, and you'll be able to find that. And then once you enter that ticker onto column B, then my spreadsheet will do a live search for the live price of the stock or the cryptocurrency that you're buying, and then it will sort of give you a rough estimate. But bear in mind that this can take up to 20 minutes to give you a live accurate figure of what the stock is worth, so just bear that in mind. It's not 100% accurate. Also, some of the tickers that you enter, it will confuse them with other ones, so you have to manually change it, which is a bit tricky, but it's just like a rough guide. So yeah, I've invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, like I've said. If you don't know why, there's a Bitcoin halving happening in around 8 days. What does that mean? I've said this in my previous videos, but basically the Bitcoin halving shortens the supply of Bitcoins. So at the moment, we're potentially in a hyper bull cycle, and with the Bitcoin halving, the demand is getting higher. People in the media are hearing about it. Investment bankers are starting to invest in it. When the halving happens, anywhere from a month to 18 months down the line, the price of Bitcoin is going to spike up drastically over a year, just like it has done in the past. So yeah, I'll leave this in the description, and yeah, you're free to use it, guys. If you have any questions, then do let me know. I'm just trying to provide some value to you guys.